Previously on Transformers Prime. Bulkhead, prepare for departure. Raphael and Agent Fowler will be your communications and transportation hub.
Who is the fiercest among you?
I am Hardshell.
You will retrieve something for me.
Talks end.
You're carrying it? I thought that stuff was toxic.
Your spark is mine, Wrecker.
That's right, soldier. Come on home.
The Wrecker left me alive. The last mistake he will ever make.
No.
We got the phase shifter, and we messed up Knockout Space! Oh yeah! Hey! Let me guess. You and Raph spent all your drive time listening to chiptunes. Well, it's been fun, but I'm ready to get back to my regularly scheduled partner, Bulkhead.
Bulkhead, respond!
Bulkhead? Bulkhead? What happened?
Toxin exposure, among other things. Bulkhead has suffered a complete systems failure.
Hold on. Tox N?
Help me get him into the medical bay. Now!
No! If I hadn't gone to New York,
There's nothing you could have done. Hardshell sucker punched the big lug while he was down.
who?
Some Insecticon. It doesn't matter. Point is, it's not your fault. You got that?
Got it.
How is this possible? 4 relics, each within our grasp. And yet only Soundwave has returned with something other than an excuse.
Tell me, Hardshell.
What is yours? I have none, my lord. We failed to retrieve the toxin, but the green Autobot has been terminated.
Then perhaps this day is not lost after all.
If that is true, it has been a while since anyone has extinguished an Autobot spark.
Because it has been a while since an Insecticon warrior has been provided the opportunity to do so.
Really now? Because the bug under my recent command was utterly useless.
Enough!
Hardshell, are you certain the one called Bulkhead was exterminated?
By my very own hand, Lord Megatron.
Yes, sir. Turns out highlights of your Big Apple adventure got caught on security tape. The Pentagon needs me to run interference with the mayor. I tried to stall, but...
Go where you are needed, Agent Fowler. There is nothing more you can do for Bulkhead at this time.
Keep me posted, Prime. I mean it.
Wheeljack's on his way.
can't believe you're giving up on Bulkhead already!
All I meant was Wheeljack and Bulkhead are close. I thought he'd want to be here.
I know what you meant!
Miko, where are you going?
Home! While Agent Fowler can still give me a lift.
She needs time.
Bulkhead is stable for the moment, but I've had to induce stasis.
What's the damage, Doc?
Bulkhead suffered massive trauma to his central neural conduit.
I've watched you work. You're a maestro.
The toxin exposure has caused system-wide shutdown on a submicronic level. I can't even begin to operate until Bulkhead regains some strength.
You gonna tell me who did this to him?
At the moment, I believe it is best to focus our attention on Bulkhead's recovery, rather than revenge.
You do that.
Wheeljack will most likely do something rash, you know.
And I am not sure we could stop him if we wanted to.
What are you doing here?
Going after the con who hurt Bulkhead. You in?
I'm taking you back.
No, wait!
Kid, I get it. You want payback. You and me both.
Bulkhead's my partner too!
Trust me, when I find out which one of Megatron's goons jumped our boy, I'll take care of him. My way.
I know who did it.
Who?
Take me, and I'll tell you.
You should have seen the wrecker's face as his spark expired, knowing that he perished at the hands of a true warrior. Lord Megatron now understands that the difficult tasks are best assigned to an Insecticon.
Pit-bound scavengers. Scrap eaters.
What did you say?
Detailing was so much easier when Breakdown was around. What is going on out there? How am I supposed to concentrate?
I just buffed that!
You know where to find Decepticon mines?
You didn't think I've just been sitting on my can since I've been on this rock?
But shouldn't we be at an Insecticon hive?
The bugs are bound by a single mind. Trying to draw just one of them out is nearly impossible. So we're gonna make some noise.
And get the cons to hand over Hardshell.
Now you can sneak in there and scope things out a lot easier than I can.
We got 5, maybe 6 troopers in the main cavern. And 2 more keeping an eye on things from the 2nd floor.
Good job, kid. Keep going.
There's another chamber. Looks like they're just using it for storage. Wheeljack, you there? Now what?
We give Megatron a shout.
Just look what they've done!
Spare me the dramatics, Knockout. It's merely a scratch.
This isn't about me, Lord Megatron. The Insecticons are creating dissension among the ranks. These savages are a threat to this warship and its crew. They should be confined. Restrained, even!
You could not produce restraint strong enough to hold us!
Lord Megatron. We're receiving an emergency transmission from Mine TVC-15.
What seems to be the problem?
Unclear, my liege. The caller will speak only to you.
What is it?
Nice operation you got here, Megatron. Although technically, you might say it's under new management.
Wheeljack, the one who enjoys explosive devices.
What can I say, Chief? I'm uncouth. And right now, I'm sitting on top of one of your big, juicy mining ops.
The loss of one asset is hardly a blow to the Decepticon cause.
Maybe, but I'm gonna keep on hitting them, one by one, until you give me what I want.
And what, pray tell, would that be?
The Insecticon scum who tried to frag Bulkhead.
Tried? Are you saying the Autobot lives?
He is bluffing!
Wouldn't bet on it. So here's the deal. I'm gonna transmit the coordinates of my next target. If Hardshell cares to meet me there, maybe he can save you from another loss. And Megatron? Just in case you ever wondered what 3 tons of exploding energon sounds like,
You allowed the Autobot to live?
Bugs. Not all they're cracked up to be.
Lord Megatron, I swear upon the Allspark, the Autobot could not have survived his wounds!
Then you owe me a spark. And if it's not the one belonging to Bulkhead, it had better be Wheeljack's.
maybe you ought to power down for a while.
I'm good. He's gonna make it. Right?
No question, kid. Bulkhead's the toughest wrecking ball I've ever known. And Ratchet's a great doc. The best.
Yeah. There's no way Bulk could miss all the stuff we have planned. Car sledding, worldwide smash-a-thon. We've been making a list.
Like I said, Bulkhead's too stubborn not to pull through. I know it, and I bet you do too.
I'm up. What's the plan?
Kid, if anything happens to me, press this. I've preset the autopilot to get you back to Prime's base.
What? No way! We had a deal. You said I could help!
And you did. But it ends here.
This is my fight too.
Sorry, kid, but Bulkhead's gonna wake up. And he'll file off my rivets if you're not there when he does.
Wheeljack!
You in there, Bug?
Thanks to your crippled friend, I am all too familiar with your record tricks.
Hardshell. Not used to fighting a bot who hasn't been doused in toxin.
Talk during battle is a sign of weakness.
Only when you're too primitive to do two things at once.
Go for the grenade!
Go, kid. Get out of here.
Your spark will now belong to Megatron.
Nice work, kid.
Wheeljack, run!
I thought I told you to hit autopilot.
Bad things happen to bots when I leave their side.
Too many to pick off. I'll need something with a wider blast radius.
But I thought you...
I only carry one at a time. Welcome to the Wreckers, kid. You did Bulkhead proud.
Then why don't I feel any different?
Miko, you okay?
She's fine. Kid's a pro.
I wasn't talking to you.
How is he?
Bulkhead will survive. He may never be fully functional again. Miko, I don't think it's wise for you...
I'm not sure I want to see Bulk right now. Not like this.
I'm never leaving you again.
The Autobot did this?
No, my lord. It was a human girl.